What's up, guys? It's your Super Playaz back at it again. It's your host Tony G, and just like in the title of the video, it's called the most massive judge pack opening. Let's get to it. So we'll start off with the first packs, obviously going to be volume 5, and let's see what we get. Hopefully we don't pull any of the battering lasers. And the first card I already see is already gonna be battering laser. The first card we got is battering laser, and it's obviously the one that's banned. We don't want this one, obviously. That's terrible. We're off at a rough start. Let's see. Hopefully we have better luck for the next pack. Hopefully. Let's cross our fingers we don't pull another battering laser. Ooh, we got Cell, which is the one I wanted personally. This is the one I wanted. And we got Infernal Villainy Cell. Look how amazing these judge promos look. They look sick, honestly. I like this. Hit up in the comment section which one's the one you want. Hopefully we get a playset of the cells. Hopefully. Other than that, I don't really care for whatever else comes out. Xenobutton's pretty cool. We got Xenobutton right here. Pretty good. This card's pretty broken in the Broly deck. Shout outs to Brian Samuel. Super player that topped at the Nats event. He got first place. He won the championship, and Xenobutton's pretty broken in this deck, honestly. In that deck. And then we have Shocking Death Ball. We pulled it. Look how amazing these foils look, guys. Look at that, so crispy. So we pulled the ones that I'm looking forward to, and hopefully we don't pull any more battering lasers. That's I don't want that. That's a terrible card. And for some reason, why, I don't know why they're warped. Are they warped? A little bit, right? It looks a little bent. I don't know why, but sure, I guess it might be the humidity, or I don't know, the packaging of it. But we got Broly Donna Rampage. Looks amazing. All the judge promos look amazing. Like I said, I want here with Gogeta. And maybe this Frieza might be pretty good in my opinion. Obviously Dark Power Massane hurts this card specifically when you combo with it and it goes to rest mode. We have Destructive Occupation Frieza. So pretty much we pulled one of each so far, I think. Wait, we haven't pulled the Negate. What is it called? Ooh, we just pulled Wiss's Coercion. Sweet. Look at that. Oh man, I don't like that they're kind of bent. I don't know why. Why are you guys bent? Why are you warped? Man, I don't know why, but we'll sleeve them up in a bit. But that looks weird. But I guess, I don't know. And then we have Dimension Support Trunks. Look at that. Sweet. One of the best overwhelm cards in the game. You overwhelm 3, and then you get a 20k vanilla card and you give it crit, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. Look at it. Looks sick. I like it a lot. Let's move on. Let's see what the next card is. And then we have Gogeta, the one I've been wanting, the one I pulled just now. I really wanted this card so badly. Yeah. I'm so stoked. I want a playset, so I definitely run Gogeta in my deck that I'm trying to play test and figure out how can I make it more viable, especially with the new set. Is just insane. The new stuff is just super good. So far I think we pulled one of each. Oh, we pulled another Wiss's Coercion. Look how amazing that looks. Oh, that's so sick. I'm so happy we pulled another Wiss's Coercion. I was thinking about playing this in a deck. Just because you can't play Dimension Magic in certain decks, but we pulled another Wiss's Coercion. But yeah, it's sick. So far I think is this the first Everybody's Pal we've pulled so far? All right, so we just pulled our first Everybody's Pal Yamcha. Obviously Yamcha is always the one that gets nuked. In the anime he's always blowing up, or he like loses in the baseball game. And then we got Occupation Frieza. How amazing. Very good in the Golden Frieza deck set 1. You combo, put it in rest mode, and then you get to pop them later on. You could maybe pass turn, do some cool plays, attack your opponent and whatnot. That's so powerful. Oh, we got another Infernal Villainy Cell. So good. Combo, draw a card, pretty much an unbreakable. But he's Cell. I used to run it in the Cell deck that I used to have. He always gave me draw power. It was good, but it was never meta defining, so I was kind of upset that it wasn't that good. And then we got another battering. This is the one we don't want, so hit up in the comment section What should I do with this battering? Should I throw it away? What should I do? If you guys want it, I'll do it as a giveaway. Ain't nobody want no battering. Thing's banned. Battering is banned. Here we go. We got another Dimension Support Trunks. Look at how amazing these Judge promos look. They're super holographic. As a collector, I think they're pretty worth it in my opinion. It's not shattered foil. A lot of you guys don't like shattered foil. I actually like it. It looks good. And then we have another Gogeta. Sweet. Another Gogeta Judge promo. I'm so stoked that we've been getting these so far. It will be... Hopefully we get another... I want another Wiscortion. If not, sure, I'll take Yamcha. Beggars can't be choosers. Looks cool. I don't know if I'm going to be using this in a deck, honestly. I'm not sure. I don't know where I could use them. A lot of people aren't playing 2-drops anymore. Everybody's doing like arrival stuff. It's just insane. Ooh, I think we got another Gogeta. Ooh, the one card I've been wanting the most I got. So I'm so stoked. I got another Gogeta Hero Revive. Hit it up in the comment section, like I said, which one's your favorite Volume 5 Judge Pack card, or tell me what I should do with the battering lasers. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should be doing with it. I don't know. I really don't know what I should do. We got another Dimension Support Trunks. Moving on, we have the next card, and we got another Everybody's Pal Yamcha. So far I think we pulled 2 and 3 of some cards. We have 3 Yamchas, I believe. Yeah, so here we go. Let's run it back. Let's see what we got so far with Volume 5. We got Yamcha, Dimension Support Trunks, Gogeta, Yamcha, Gogeta, Trunks, Battering, Inferno, Yamcha, and we only pulled 1 Shocking Death Ball. Wow, did we? How many? That's terrible. Oh well. At least we didn't pull that many batterings. That's a good thing. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is going to be 20 packs of Volume 6. This is the one I really like because it has all the negates you want. A bunch of them, of the ones I want. I like Time Magic. That's always been my favorite negate since it got revealed a long time ago. I always thought that was like a very powerful card. Oh wow, look at that. That was difficult. Ooh, we got Power Burst. Look at that. That's sick. We pull a Judge Pack Power Burst. Power Burst looks amazing. Buff Roshi. One of my favorite artworks is that card. It's as well. It just looks so cool because Roshi, whenever he does the Kamehameha wave, he gets huge. And then we got Dende new to the job. I actually don't have this card, even on in common. So I actually didn't have that many when I was trying to build a deck. I was like, oh, I don't even have that many Dendes. And luckily we pulled a few. Oh, I just pulled one, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, new to the job, Dende. Look at that. Look sick. We have new to the job Dende when he took over Kami. On the lookout. Ooh, we got Time Magic. I do have these reverse foil. I only have 2, so this is gonna be my 3rd one, but it's actually a Judge. So hopefully I get to get another one. Have a play set of foil, 2 Judge, and then 2 non-foil, 2 regular foiled. But it's one of my favorite ones. Time Magic is my favorite. Ooh, and then we got Dimension Magic. Another staple, another powerful negate, and then restand. Choose up to 2 blue of your energies. So good if you're playing a blue leader. It's always a good negate. And then moving on, let's go to the next one. Hopefully we have better. I think we have way better luck. Ooh, we're getting every see, these aren't warped. See, you see that? I don't know why the other ones were warped. I'm kind of upset. But we have After Image. Boom! Look at that. Looks sick. So far we've pulled almost every negate so far. You know what? I didn't think we didn't pull any Preemptive Strike from the other pack, I think. Or does it come in this one? Oh no, it's this one that I was like, wow, these are super difficult to open. Ooh, Surprise Attack Vegeta. Surprise Attack Frieza. Not Vegeta. And look at this. It looks amazing. This one's a great card, especially if you run a deck that KOs a lot of stuff. You could bring out this for free. If not, then it's a really good energy. I used to run that in, I believe, my Hercule deck, just because I used to get rid of stuff with the Gogeta Hero Revive. Ooh! And then we have Preemptive Strike, one of the best counterplay cards, in my opinion. This and the red one. It's amazing. The red one has, I believe, there's called, I forgot the name, but it has Broly in it from the Broly movie. That scene. Ooh, we have Son Goku the adventure begins. Maybe I might do a deck profile with this Goku. Maybe add it, because I've never played the Kid Goku engine ever in any of the sets. So in the new one, or when it first came out, I didn't even play it. Wow, these are almost impossible to open. And then we got, is that all you've got? So look at that. That looks sick. We've pulled so far every negate. I'm so stoked that we actually got that. So we have one of each so far. So hopefully, crossing our fingers, we pull the Time Magic, and lend me your energy. Super Playaz out there. Ooh, we have Transcendent Strike, which is a great battle card. Anything that's 20,000 power or less, KO it. So you can maybe play around with it, play this, and then bring out Surprise Attack after you KO the card. Pretty much for 1 energy. Pretty sick, clear board. Get a crit out, and then we got, ooh, another Power Burst. Wow, I think we have better luck with Volume 6 than we did with Volume 7, in my opinion. Look at that. Hopefully we get another Dimension Magic. I'm really crossing my fingers. Or another Time Magic. I do want another Time Magic. And we got Dende, new to the job. Look at that. Look amazing. So I didn't have any, so I'm really happy that I have that card. I didn't have it I think it's a common in the Series 5. And yes, we pulled another Time Magic. Just what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. Time Magic's one of the best cards. It stops your opponent completely with battle cards that restand, that have dual attack or even triple attack. Is just, I love it. Ooh, and we pulled another Dimension Magic. Ooh, look at that. We got another Dimension Magic. Sick. Sick. Crossing my fingers. Which one's your favorite, guys? Like, hit up in the comment section for Volume 6 now. Which one is your favorite Volume 6 Judge Pack? And we got another After Image. So I think we're going to get 2 of each negate, which is awesome in my opinion. I'm so happy we pulled it. Let's go a little bit quicker. Don't want to bore you guys with my beautiful voice, obviously. And then we have Surprise Attack Frieza, another one, DJ Khaled. And that's about why I'm like trying to figure it out what I want to play. And then we go on to the next one. And then we have Son Goku, The Adventure Begins, another one. So I think we have 2 of each. I think we pulled better in Volume 6 so far than we did on Volume 5. So like I said, hit up in the comment section which one's your favorite, and then is that all you've got? And I believe the next one should be that Gogeta extra card that KOs anything that's 20 or less. And yep, it's called Transcendent Strike. So there you guys have it. Let's run it back. Let's see what we got. So we pretty much pulled 2 of each, which I'm very happy about. We have Transcendent Strike. Is that all you've got? Son Goku Adventure Begins. Preemptive Strike. Oh yeah, I'm so stoked. Look at that. We have 2 of everything. That's always good. I'm always happy to get 2 of everything, honestly. And then last but not least, the best of the best. The new packs that just came out. We only have 10, so that means we might only pull maybe 1 of each, or if not, if we're lucky, we get 2 of each. Nah, we won't, but we might get 1 of each. So we have Vados Assistance, Fearless Pan, 4-star Ball, Broly Demonic Origins, Beer's Fickle God, Awakening Talent Pan, All Aspiring Intimidator SSB Vegito, and then we have Gogeta Resonant Explosion, which is the one I want, and Super Baby and Mutaito. I want a Mutaito because I don't have it. And then let's see. We have, oof, talking about Baby, the first card we get is Baby. Sweet. I don't have any of these, so I'm so happy I actually pulled 1. That's always good. And then let's move on to the next pack. Let's see what we get in this one. I think this is Vegito. It looks like it. I saw his hand because I think he's like reaching out or something like that. Didn't open this pack well. There you go. Yeah, Vegito. There we go. We have it. We pulled him. So happy. Well, I'm not happy about him, but I'm more happy about... I'm way happier to get Baby than anything. Oh, yes! I finally got a Mutaito. I never bought him from the Power Boosters. I never got to play in the Power Booster event, so I'm so happy I actually have 1 now. So let's see what we pull in this one. So hopefully we get 2. Ooh, we got another Mutaito. I don't know how effective Mutaito is now with the new meta, but definitely super cool to have for sure. I think he's still good. I'm happy to get 2 because that's, I think, what I would sideboard if I had the yellow because a lot of people are playing baby now, and a lot of people are playing. Ooh, I know what we just pulled, and we pulled Gogeta Resonant Explosion. Awesome, we pulled this guy. Very beautiful looking card. And let's move on. I don't want to make this a really long video. Ooh, let's do this. And then we have another baby. Sweet. I'm so happy we pulled 2 babies as of now. I'm already halfway there for the next. Imagine I pull another one. If I get a playset, that'd be sick. But, and then we got Beerus Fickle Destruction, the dual color card that came out in the previous set, I believe. And then we have, ooh, what's the next one? What's this one? Ooh, we have Fearless Pan. I'm okay with not getting Pan, honestly. I think we pulled some pretty cool stuff so far. And then we have, ooh, another dual color card, Broly Demonic Origins. And then we have one more pack, and hopefully we pull Pretty Beast right now. Ooh, we pulled a Beerus. Awesome. Always one of the best cards, the dual color one. And there you guys have it. So we pulled all these cool cards from 50 packs. And let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. And there you guys have it. So we have 50. I should play in a tournament with these 50 cards, since you could play with only 50 cards anyway. So, and then a leader. There you guys have it. So there, from your Super Playaz, all 50 cards, or 50 booster pack or judge pack opening. And like we always say, y'all stay super.